themselves.
Yes.
Thank you for inviting us.
And you know,
Appreciate it.
I did this last year too. We had for about 6 to 8 weeks of the kids that was up here, you know, actually expressing themselves and everything. And I just want to throw this out that the parents, that at that time the DVDs were not ready, but they are ready now. So please come get DVDs of your young. These are your kids, you know what I mean? And you need to really, you know, look at them, you know what I mean? It's okay to buy DVDs or whoever else, and we do it, you know. We don't think none of it to give $15 to $20 or whatever for someone else. But we need to really invest in our precious at home. And that right there is what the work of the church and what's happening now, Town Talker Talk Show. So would you like to say anything, Ms. Settles? Got about a minute.
I just want to say hello to everyone out there. My name is Vicki Settles, and I am a social studies teacher at Clinton School.
Wow.
And I think that you can see this is a wonderful time to be
Yes.
a social studies teacher, and
Yes.
I am very, very proud of these two young men. Thank you.
Well, God bless you, and I guess I'm going to finish with that old way I did a few months ago. Barack! Y'all missed it. I'm supposed to say Obama. Barack!
Obama!
Barack!
Obama!
Barack!
Obama!
Barack!
Obama!
Barack!
Obama!
Keep up alive.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, listen, I need y'all to sign in and everything.
Okay. You know, I have a DVD too. So this will be on the DVD.
Okay.
Because I know I'm going to get more than one from the system. Yeah, so we have to sign something.
Yeah, so that would keep track of it.
Okay. Okay.